Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lower your brightness on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you'd like to do is just go and open your PC that contains your Windows 11. Of course, if you are a Windows 10 user and you'd like to go into Windows 11, you can just go into your settings and upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. Of course, the upgrade of Windows 11 from Windows 10, of course, will not delete any files or apps for you, personal files, documents, will not delete anything from your PC. It will just upgrade Windows 10 into 11. Of course, you can even run the installation or the download into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. Of course, your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem, especially if you have a good PC. And of course, once the download or the installation is done, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. And when you do that, you'll find yourself with a Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, when you have all set up, you will find even a recovery point in your settings if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want, unless you delete it, of course. So maybe if you're facing some issues, you would like to go back, or you just like Windows 10 better, but I bet you will stay on it, especially if you get used to it. So as we said, is we would like to lower your brightness on the Windows 11. So of course you can just go. Of course, if you are that will be different if you are a desktop user or if you are a laptop user. If you are a laptop user, you can just go and adjust your brightness through this option. Just click at this option of sound and internet and click on it, and normally you will find here an option of sound, and below it or even above it an option of brightness. You can then lower it or make it higher, and that's how you actually lower or even make higher your brightness. But of course, if you are a desktop user, you can just go into your monitor, go down into it or on the right, or even just go look for your buttons of monitors and go and lower or even make higher your brightness from there. So that's all actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.